Welcome to Stride University. Today we're going to continue our discussion of buy X get Y. So if you haven't watched the first video on how to set this up in the point of sale, you might want to skip back and watch that video. If not, you could probably kind of follow along and get the gist of it. But we're going to continue our discussion and go into and extend and say, hey, we had a sale going on in store. We want to mimic that sale that's in online, specifically the buy X get Y product. So if you remember from our previous video, to get to that discount and loyalty program, we went into sales, products, discount and loyalty, and we've created, you can see right here, it's our desk organization promo. I'm going to click on this and rename this so that we remember what it's called and that it's specifically for the point of sale. So now that I've done that, what I'm going to do is this handy button right here, you'll get to know it. It's our action button. You can archive these if you no longer want to use them or have them available in the point of sale. Just a heads up, if you want your promos to be archived in the point of sale, please note that you do need to make sure that there are no open orders in any point of sale session that potentially could have this promo in them. Otherwise, you will get an error code in your point of sale and it will not open. So just be aware of that. You need to close out all of your orders before you archive a promo program. But in this one, I'm not going to archive it. I'm going to duplicate it. And that duplicated, I'm going to call this website. And right away, I'm going to change this to my website so that I don't forget. And now it's only available on my website. Something I didn't go over in the previous video, I will in this one, is we have validity dates. These promos go live as soon as you create them, but you can specify, hey, when you want the promo to end. So just be aware of that. You can create them beforehand, just don't make them available, and they'll be ready to go. But once you select that and save it, this promo is technically live on the website. A couple of things that we do need to change. So also we can limit the usage. So we can say, hey, only the first 100 people get this promo. Like, we're not giving it to anybody else. We're gonna blast it out there and say, hey, the first 100 users that buy any product from us are gonna get this free, awesome Stride Retail hat, right? That's something that we can do. I don't want to limit the usage. If you click limit usage and put 0, no one gets to use it. Just heads up there. So, and then the next thing we need to do to create this for the website is actually to go to our conditional rule and change that to per order. And we're just going to go ahead and save that. We can leave, and also on the website, it doesn't allow a product tag, so we actually have to specify a product. So on this one, our website goers, they only get the desk pad. So those are a couple of the nuances of this system. We in the online version, they don't get to choose the option. They just get what they get. Kind of a perk of coming to the stores, you might be able to choose. So we're going to go ahead and save that and save this here. Excuse me. And then we should be good to go. It's been saved. So I'm going to come to my website. I'm going to go shopping and check out my, we need to spend $100 for our cabinet with doors. I'm going to click on that, add it to my cart. It's in there, but when I open my cart, you'll notice, boom, there's my free product. So we're good to go. We can process our checkout here. We can get our address, and then we can go ahead and confirm this. Now, we can turn on extra notes. So some people have asked, hey, I really do want to allow my online shoppers to have the choice. And this is where you kind of have a workaround. It's not perfect, but in order to do that, we could say okay, we really want to give people the choice. We won't be able to track inventory perfectly, but we could create a free gift product that is essentially that is only available and it has the same same thing here. So we could create a free gift product, and then we could just say in our promo, hey, you need to go and at the end of your checkout, so specify what free gift it is. So on this one would be the desk organizer, like, is what I want. If you remember from our previous explanation, if we go, I think we had in our inventory, we tagged some products with the product tag of test promo. We had a desk organizer and a desk pad. So this is where you could kind of pseudo get away with saying, hey, we'll let you select your free gift. It's going to create a little bit of extra work for your back office salespeople, because now that when that is processed, I'll show you real quick. If this is the way you're going to go, and it takes a minute because I'm in my stage environment and it's a little bit slow. Sales order 176. Your salespeople, your fulfillment people are going to get to go in and find all of the orders, and they'll get to find all the orders from online. They'll get to open them up and say over here in the chatter, this is what the notes are. Oh, they want the desk organizer. So they're going to say, I want the desk organizer, add a product, and they're going to have to say they get 100% discount on that so that it's free, and then they'll need to save that. Oh, discard changes. So anyways, that's how that's going to have to work. They'll have to come in here and add that product in that they wanted and create it. So that's one way to do it and work around. But really, if you the long answer is yes, it's possible. You have to do a workaround to have multiple products. The easiest way is to just have one product that is your promo online if people buy it. So also a quick thing, you can stack this. So if you have multiple promos going on, like any purchase you get a free pen, you can do that, you know, as a promo. But then you could stack on, like, if you spend $100, you get a free desk pad, and you'd be good to go. So just a quick go ahead there, and yep. So as always, if you have questions and you want to reach out to us, then feel free to reach out to us. I think I did this wrong, so I'm going to make sure that we get it right this time so that it actually works, because it did come through. So if you're still watching, you're not totally lost. We're going to come back. We're going to go to shop again, and we're going to buy a cabinet, a large cabinet, add that to our cart. Oh, see, now we've got our free product here. So process checkout, confirm. We're going to need to say, I want the organizer. I didn't save it in the previous version of this, so I hope you're still watching, because now we'll be able to actually see what it looks like. Oh, I need to do this. I'm going to do in-store pickup, pay now, and we're going to come back in and refute this sales order 00176. So this is a good example of if you forget to save that, it didn't actually remember that. So we're going to come into here, 177, and you'll see on this sales order line, it's a free product is the free gift, and then you would have to have your salesperson add in the desk organizer at 100% discount. And then they could save that, and we could go to our delivery order. And if you look at operations, I'm out of this, so it doesn't show up on my sales in my deliver order until I can actually ship it. So that's kind of what it looks like. Sorry for the extra long video today, but I hope you can see that does work. You can stack these and have multiple, and as always, feel free to reach out to us.